All right, we're doing part one. I'll put a different part one on YouTube because I don't have my voice lately. And I can't really sing it like I want to, so we'll just do our part one like this. And all you guys who buy memberships to my website, or if you're the one who hired me to do this one, thank you guys so much. You guys are totally awesome. So my voice is not quite what it usually is. Some allergies and other things. I lose it for a while, once in a while, and then it comes back. So here we go. This is Elton John live at Ephesus 2001 Mona Lisas and Mad Hatters. So so here we go. He just jumps right in. CG on the left, CEC on the right. So we play those together. And then CFC on the right, CA on the left, back to the first C chord. So da, bum, ba da ba. Then we have a C chord, CEC, G, EC. Left hand has a G there. So we have one, bum, bum. Now the next measure is an E7, B, D, G sharp, B. I'll use 1, 2, 4, 5. Left hand on an E octave. So I just keep that chord. Left hand does an E, a thumb E. And then we have so C, E, A, C, 1, 2, 4, 5. Left hand on an A octave. Then C, E, G, C on the right, left hand on a G octave. Then a C. An F chord there, C, F, A, C, left hand on an F. 2 counts on it. And then C, E, G, C, left hand on an E. D minor 7, A, C, F. Left hand on a D octave. 1, 2. So on count 2 we have left hand D. And the right hand comes in with C, G, A, C, A. When you play that high C, the left hand will play the left hand D. So. And then A and F to G and E to F and D. Left hand does a D there. So let's start from the beginning and go that far. Here, C chord on the right, then F chord, C chord, just like we had at the beginning. And immediately, so E, C, D, E, C, G, E, D. Left hand does a G there. So starting there. Then this chord again, 2 times. See the 2? 1. Then A minor, C, E, A, C. Left hand on an A octave. Then a C chord, left hand on a G. So here it's 1. Then C, F, G, A, C, all 5 fingers. Left hand on an F. Down, A, C, A, left hand on an F still. Count 3, 4 will be G, C, E on the right, left hand on an E. This finishes out the measure. So right there. minor 7, A, C, F on the right, left hand on a D. 1, 2. So C, F, C octave, left hand on a D. G, C, G to E, D. Left hand goes to E there. So F chord 2 times. And then G, C, G. Left hand on an E. Whole measure. B, D, G, B. Left hand on a G. So it's 8th notes and then 16ths. 1. Then a C chord, C, E, G, C. Left hand on a C octave. And that's a triplet. Gotta scroll to see that. C, E, G, and then C, E, C, D, F, D, E, G, E. Left hand on C, G, B flat. Starting here. Let's go from the beginning and go. Okay. We'll pick up right there in the next lesson. All right.